Alright, welcome back everyone. Good to have you here again. Today we are doing something a little different from grammar and vocabulary. We are talking about how to communicate to win. And when I say win, I mean using your English in a way that actually gets results. You want people to understand you, listen to you, remember what you said, and also respect the way you speak. Communication is not just speaking English. It is speaking in a way that connects, creates impact, and helps you reach your goal. By the end of this session, you will have habits you can use in school, interviews, meetings, and everyday life to speak clearly, confidently, and effectively. So what does communicate to win really mean? It simply means that the way you talk should help you achieve a positive result. Maybe you want to convince someone. Maybe you want to explain something clearly. Maybe you want to build trust or express emotions or avoid confusion or lead a conversation or solve a problem. If your words help you reach that goal, then yes, you are communicating to win. And notice it is not about using big vocabulary. Nobody wins because they used a fancy word. You win when you speak with clarity, confidence, and connection. Now let me share 4 simple secrets that really change the game. The first one is speak clearly, not fast. A lot of learners think fast means fluent, but that is not true at all. Clear is always better than fast. Slow down a little. Let your words land. Use small pauses. And you will notice people pay more attention and trust what you are saying. The second secret is listen more than you speak. Good communicators listen actively. They notice the tone, the intention, the emotion, and the small details. When you listen well, you respond better and you understand people at a deeper level. The third one is keep your message simple. If your sentence needs too much explanation, then it is too complicated. Simplify it. Instead of saying utilize, just say use. Instead of commence, say start. Instead of expedite, say speed up. Simple words do not make you weak. Simple words make you powerful because people understand you instantly. And the fourth secret is confidence in your voice and body. Even before you speak, your body language is already communicating. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Maintain light eye contact. Smile softly. Speak with a steady tone. You do not have to be loud. You just need to be sure about what you are saying. Let us look at a small conversation to see how this works. Arvind goes to Ramesh and says, "Bro, my boss did not understand my idea yesterday. I explained everything." And Ramesh just looks at him and says, "Did you explain clearly or did you explain quickly?" Arvind thinks for a moment and says, "I spoke fast." And Ramesh laughs and says, "That is the problem. Communicate to Winda. Speak clearly." Arvind nods and says, "True." Ramesh asks, "And did you check if he was listening or confused?" Arvind says, "No, I just continued talking." Ramesh goes, "See, listening is also communication." Arvind sighs and says, "I should improve." Ramesh pats him and says, "Yes, use simple words, keep your tone confident, and you will win every meeting." Arvind smiles and says, "Thanks, bro. From today, I will speak like a champion." And that shows how communication changes the outcome even in simple daily moments. Now let me give you a few practical strategies you can start using right away. Try the 7-second rule. If you speak for more than 7 seconds, pause for a moment. That pause shows confidence. Also ask small confirmation questions like, "Right," or "Does that make sense," or "Are you with me?" These keep the listener involved. Use examples because examples make your point crystal clear. And one simple method for clear speaking is the power format. Point, outline, why, example, repeat. So if you say, "I think we should start early," then you add, "Here is why. If we leave late, we will get stuck in traffic." Simple and effective. Let us do a quick activity. Try simplifying this sentence out loud. Basically, as per the documentation, the implementation could be initiated after reviewing the parameters. Now say it in a simple way. Something like, "We can start after checking the details." Much clearer. Now say one simple message with confidence. Something like, "I believe we should try again." And finally, set one communication goal for today. Something like, "I will speak slowly and clearly in my next conversation." Small goals build strong habits. Let me also tell you a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not speak too fast. Do not use big words unless they are really needed. Do not interrupt others. Avoid speaking without thinking for a moment. Try not to cross your arms or look down or shuffle unnecessarily. Avoid weak fillers like or a. And do not over-explain. Instead, aim for clear speech, simple words, good listening, small pauses, and a steady, confident tone. Alright, that is great work for today. Communication is a tool, and when you use it well, it opens doors. Remember, clarity wins, confidence wins, simplicity wins, listening wins, and a positive tone wins. Every conversation is a chance to communicate to win. And in the next unit, we will continue building your communication and English fluency step by step. You are doing amazing. Keep going.